Do I live in chaos? Absolutely. No, but we're changing that. We're changing that. I am changing that. I am a girl that is going to be organized. Because what is this? Girl been living in chaos. I had to put on a hat to film this because my hair is screaming. Are you serious in your life? But yes, I am serious with my life because you see this? A girl does not even have a place to put her oils, to put her things. So what did I decide to do?
Stop it. Get some help.
Get me the dresser. You're right. Get me the dresser. Get a damn dresser. So we're about to amplify this space and make it girly. That gotta go. Thank you very much. Okay. All right. So first, let's make the bed because it is what it is.
What is happening? Oh God, what is happening?
I need to get me some new sheets. Well, not bad. Not bad. So we're done with the bed. This was in shambles, and to think that right now it looks like this, it's puzzling. Puzzling to me, because when I see this manual or whatever this is, what do you, hey, my brain could never fathom. But thank God I got me that decided it's gonna build my dresser. I am so happy and excited. Very nice.
And this is flat pack.
Oh, you did well.
Man did well, I did it.
He did it! Sorry! So